All right, let's see how this works. So, I'm supposed to, like record what I think. Okay, this is me right now. I'm standing on top of rocks. Nike. There you go, Nike. I wear Nike products. I don't know. I just like the shoes. They're kind of comfortable. Well, they're comfortable, and they're not kind of. They're comfortable. Mm, especially like on chill days. Hold up. Let me see. Let me see. Sorry, guys. Like I said, all this is new for me. Oh no, I haven't even said that. uh, anyways, I'm introducing myself into the YouTube world. But I want to be myself. I don't want to be like like the trending people. I want to be. I just want to be me. Anyways, explain myself little by little as we go, as I make videos one by one. And maybe I'm not even recording this shit. Maybe I'm just, like, I think I'm putting it on YouTube. Maybe I'm not. Maybe I'll never get likes. And that's okay. Because all I want to do is, like, just experiment with YouTube. And like I said, um, as I'm introducing myself into the YouTube world, later on, I'll show my face. I mean, I could show it right now, but uh, nah, I don't feel like it. I'm just showing you what my neighborhood is like around here. It's always chill. You know, boom, what's that? Oh, yeah, look. I have like a tripod horn thing at home, a broken well, my neighbor's cars. That's my dog Benji. Benji, come here, little puppy. Come here, papa. Come here. Say hello. Hello, motherfuckers. My name is Benji. Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Run, motherfucker. Weddle. That's my dog, Weddle. Hey, come here, Weddle. What's up, Weddle? Ay, qué bonito perrito, bonito. Mira el güero, qué obediente. Benji, no. Benji, he's a little brat. Yeah, he's a little brat. He's always all, look, there he goes. He wants to be like me, Papi. Hey, Papi, you want to be like Papi? Woo, 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 woo. Whoa, whoa. Hey, Widow. What's up, Widow? What, Benji's too tough for you? Hmm? No. Anyways, that's my Camaro right there. What Camaro? That's my friend's GTI. Man, the other day my friend, he was coming in to my house. He was driving. Man, some kid drove into him, smacked him in the back so bad. I mean, the car's drivable, but gotta fix it though. How many out there people that? Ooh, yeah. You gotta enjoy your life. It's called the essence of life, to preserve and keep. Chill, Bill. Oh yeah, we got those here too. They always listening to us. As if we don't know. Funny fuckers. Funny fuckers!